3.29% price pump today, even though when the king BTC is on red, Ethereum, Binance BNB, you can see C network is still on green. That means the effect of the coin price pump when it was launched is still affecting the coins positively. So even though when there's a strong downfall in crypto industry, it not affect this coin much, okay? It just affected a little, because as of the time of recording this coin C network total rise still is still trading at that is 1,913.86%. 1,913.86%, almost 2,000% as of the time of recording days. Now, with the market cap trading at over $300 million market cap. Yes, C network market cap, C trade at over $300 million market cap, which means there's a possibility for 500 or even a billion within the next few weeks or few months to go. But the coin is doing well as of today, over 3.27%, which is good for a new coin like this to dominate, a new coin like this to remain on green when they are gas, when other crypto coins are struggling. The coin says for today, no, I have to be on green. You can see that also pushed millions of dollars has been pushed into this coin, invested on this coin. The trading volume increased today because of this. Because when you take a look at the coin market cap or CoinGecko, you will see red. Just 2% or 1%, 1 to 3% coins are on green, apart from the stable coins. So C network, kudos. I hope that they should continue rising until they will keep on rising. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Please, once again, thank you for stopping, thank you for listening, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing.